Hey, this is my last time living at home. I'm leaving. My room looks pretty good. My mom's gonna decorate it the way she wants, and my bathroom's good. It's the fact that I moved here literally 2 months ago. We've been building this house for like 2 years, and now I'm leaving. Crazy, but I'm excited. Goodbye. All right, we're locked and loaded.
Locked and loaded, baby.
Ew, this is a huge truck, and all of our stuff fit in here, so here we go. We're in Tampa. We're doing a quick IKEA stop before we head to Lakeland, which is only 30 minutes away. But my mom and Sammy. Let's see what we get here. Okay, got a few things so far. Still looking though. Looking at mirrors. Vlog. I never introduced this vlog, so hello. It's now Friday the 11th and it's move-in day. Our appointment for move-in is at 11 a.m. It's 10:33, so we're about to head over to the apartment complex. But I moved all the way from Santa Rosa Beach, Florida, which is on 30A/the Panhandle, all the way to Lakeland, Florida, which is more central, and it's right between Orlando and Tampa. I attend university here, so I'm moving into a really nice apartment. I'm so excited! But it's gonna be such a fun day and a lot of hectic stuff going on, but it's gonna be so worth it in the end. Love that for me. I'm just so excited. But basically, there's gonna be 2 moving vlogs. This is the first one. You're gonna see another one. It's gonna be 98 degrees today, so I'm gonna be sweating like there's no tomorrow. So that's why I literally only wear mascara, so. Okay, let's get into this whole moving vlog. Also, I've never seen this apartment before. It's my first time ever seeing it, and I signed a lease for it, so hopefully it's nice. But you see that top window like right up there? That's St. Mills' room, and then there's the balcony. So here is where we live, but that's it. Okay, we signed our leasing stuff, and we have everything now, so we're walking up. So look at the apartment.
Very first time.
All your 1 million keys. Woohoo! Here we go.
Sponsored by Louis V.
Oh my god. Ah! Oh my gosh. Let's see. Oh my god, this kitchen is beautiful. Goodness. This is.
Oh, look at your room.
Oh my god, yeah, my room. I'm so scared. My closet's the way I wanted it. Oh my gosh. Dude, this is huge. Oh my goodness. You're joking. This is so nice. It's, oh my gosh. This is my room. Ah! Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Let's go see the porch. Nate, do you like it?
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's huge.
I'll bet all of our bins go here.
Yeah. The storage is nice. Oh my god. I'm
We're
very
gonna get a plant for this.
very excited. This is a big porch. This porch is huge. Here's your room. Love. We stand. Tub, toilet, and then back at the front door. So beautiful. I'm so excited for this fridge. It's so big. Oh my god. Okay, as you can see, we have hired people to get stuff out of the U-Haul because it was way too heavy, and we're on 3 sets of stairs, and my dad can't walk up the stairs, as y'all know his condition, so he had to make it up here once, and that is it for the rest of the day. But anyways, we have our outdoor chairs, and they're bringing everything up currently, and we're moving in, baby. We did it! Yay! Okay, my pride and joy is fully organized. Amy did great. It looks so good. Look, you guys. No more room for more. I'm gonna find a way though to get more. Okay, here's an update on the closet. We have this Alex 9 drawer. I gotta fix this one. I don't know what happened to it. So I'm putting that in this corner, and then hoodies up there like my last was. So I gotta build these shoe racks, and they're gonna go down here with all my sneakers. I have sneakers in here, and then 2 more boxes. And then we're just kind of figuring this out right now. I've also done some organizing under here. This is the guest one. And then I have mine, which is under here, which you can't really see too well. Haven't put anything in here yet, but these lights are going behind the TV. And then my mirror from Wayfair is up. It looks so good. And Amy put together this like little clothing rack from IKEA, which is so fun. But I love this mirror, it's huge. Also, I found all my candles, which is so fun. And then she's putting together my Jason Freeney balloon dog. And then she built This too, my Jordan 1 clock. I got these like marble curtain hooks that go like right here when I have my curtains from Urban. And then my book is here. It's just looking so good so far. So excited to have it all like put together very, very soon. Okay, we're opening my favorite things. Here we go. Okay, we got Sarah and my dad building my bed. Hey, hey, and my brother, ew. Okay, the rug is out. We're letting it just get like flat because West Elm was almost here to deliver everything else and build our couch and our TV console and everything like that. But this is gonna go right here. And then I'll show you this. Here's our little coffee table. This isn't gonna stand here, of course, but it's like, this is from West Elm, this whole thing. Hi. Here's our hot water kettle. Here's this kind of stuff, toaster oven, and then the citrus juicer is right here. And yeah, it's got cold drinks. But yeah, we've gotten a lot done so far. I'm really excited about it. We're doing good. Cheers. How are you feeling about the Uggs up here?
Love it.
Yeah.
It's gonna be so cute.
Yeah, it'll be cute once it's all up. Amy did my shoe rack. Thanks, bae. So I'm gonna put all my shoes up there. Oh, here's an Ugg. No, I found a zebra one. Okay. Now I just gotta find the others, which I don't know where they are. I'll have to.
We'll find them.
We'll find them. Y'all, it's getting real late. It's like 11 o'clock, but I'm gonna fill my racks with all my sneakers. It's gonna be so satisfying. I'm so excited. So let's fill them up with sneakers. I have them all like kind of sprawled out. Like, you can't really see it, but I promise they're like on the floor. But let's do it. Here's an overlook over the closet right now. This is what it looks like. I put some hoodies up there. We got some jeans down here, and then obviously all my sneakers. Like I said, 2 more racks right there to make it a whole sneaker wall. Still have so many more clothes to hang up, but this is it so far. And then all my Uggs go like that. And then in my bathroom, still got clothes to put up. Here's this area. This is my dresser. It's from West Elm. I'll do a whole like video, of course, but that's empty. But the rest of these are filled with Lulu and all that kind of stuff. And then I kind of have this decorated just a little, but nothing crazy because it's a little messed up right now. This is the same as before, still here. My bed is finally done and we decorated it just a little. Chair is built from Amazon. This looks really ugly, gross, just ignore it. We ended up moving this actually in here to give it more room, and I think it looks honestly so much better. And I just slid my filming stuff right there, which is perfect. And then we're gonna put this up here. If you're an OG, you know that this was in my old room, like from 3 years ago. That's also like the matching little nightstand from West Elm as well. This is also from West Elm. Bed frame is from Wayfair. Mirrors from Wayfair. Like I said, I'll do a whole video. Oh yeah, and then I ordered this from Amazon. Like a sunset lamp, look at that. So like it makes your whole room. But look at the ceiling. It's really like, it's a lot prettier in person. Hey Beth. It is really cute. So that's going on right now, but it's really, really pretty. It just kind of gives a whole vibe to the room. But I think we're done for the night, you guys. I will catch up with you guys maybe tomorrow. I'll end out the vlog tomorrow. Yes, end out the vlogs. And I'll catch you guys in part 2. Thanks for moving with me today. It's been stressful. I've been up for like 15 hours. But we're here. We did great, and we had a lot of people helping us, which was super nice. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Mwah. Good night.